Switching gears, the state's indoor mask mandate expired this morning. That is, except for some K through 12 schools. Now, the rules are a little complicated. The state superintendent previously told schools they did not have to make students quarantine if exposed to COVID. Some schools decided to keep requiring it, though. So yesterday, the governor said students at those schools that require quarantining, will not have to enforce mask wearing. Schools without a quarantine requirement will have to keep the mask mandate in place. We asked LSU Health's infectious disease chief for his take.
If you're doing contact tracing and quarantining and those sorts of things, it's a lot of activity, that needs to happen. And so if folks can do that well and their numbers are low, then that would be reasonable to do. The problem is that when you get a blow up of all the cases, then it's really hard to keep track of everything.
Some school districts have already made their own decision about mask wearing. Terrebonne, Tangipahoa, Washington, St. Bernard, and Lafourche parishes are all making masks voluntary at schools. Now, St. John Parish and NOLA Public Schools will keep the mask requirement. Jefferson Parish says they're still reviewing the guidance issued by the governor, and they will share their plans later this week. You still have to keep wearing masks in New Orleans. After the governor made his announcement, the city said nothing will change here until leaders review all the data. Mayor Cantrell says she'll clarify her plans by the end of the week.